Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of skincare tools. You know how obsessed I am with having flawless glowing skin, and these tools are total game changers. Welcome to our ultimate guide on must-have skincare tools. From cleansing to anti-aging, we've got you covered with the best tools to enhance your skincare routine. Get ready to transform your skincare game because, trust me, these tools are about to become your new best friends. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the foundation of any good skincare routine: cleansing. But we're not talking about just any cleansing, we're talking about a deep, satisfying clean that gets rid of every trace of makeup and grime. That's where facial cleansing tools come in. These babies take your cleansing routine to a whole new level. We're talking about the Clarisonic Mia, with its iconic oscillating brush head that reaches deep into pores, or the Cryo Luna, with its super soft silicone bristles that gently massage your skin while removing impurities. And let's not forget the Olay Pro X Advanced Cleansing System, a budget-friendly option that delivers amazing results. Next up, we're talking exfoliation, the key to achieving that smooth, radiant complexion we all crave. Exfoliating tools are like mini facials at home, gently buffing away dead skin cells to reveal brighter, smoother skin underneath. One of my personal faves is the Clinique Sonic System Purifying Brush. This little powerhouse uses sonic vibrations to gently lift away impurities, leaving your skin feeling baby soft. And for a more intense exfoliation, the PMD Personal Microderm is a game changer. It uses microdermabrasion technology to smooth away fine lines, wrinkles, and blemishes, giving you that coveted airbrushed look. Now let's talk about massage, a luxurious treat for your skin that not only feels amazing, but also delivers incredible benefits. Massaging tools like the Jade Roller and the Rifa Carrot Facial Roller are like mini workouts for your face, improving circulation, reducing puffiness, and helping your skincare products absorb better. I like to keep my Jade Roller in the fridge for an extra cooling and depuffing effect in the morning. Trust me, once you start incorporating these tools into your routine, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Chapter 4. We all want to age gracefully, right? Anti-aging tools are like having a personal fountain of youth in your skincare arsenal. These high-tech devices use microcurrent technology, LED light therapy, and other innovative methods to stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and tighten the skin. The New Face Trinity is a cult favorite for a reason. It uses microcurrents to tone and lift the facial muscles, giving you a more youthful appearance. And for a dose of professional-grade LED therapy at home, the Dr. Dennis Gross LED mask is a must-have. It uses different wavelengths of light to target specific skin concerns, from wrinkles to acne. Chapter 5. Let's be real, dealing with unwanted hair can be a total drag. But thankfully, there are some amazing hair removal tools out there that make the process so much easier and more convenient. Whether you prefer epilation, laser hair removal, or something in between, there's a tool for you. The Bronze Silk Epil 9 is a classic epilator that removes hair from the root, giving you weeks of smooth skin. And for a more permanent solution, the Tria Beauty Hair Removal Laser uses professional-grade laser technology to target and disable hair follicles, resulting in long-lasting hair reduction. Now let's take things up a notch with some serious skin treatment devices. These gadgets offer targeted solutions for a variety of skin concerns, from pore congestion to acne scars. The Dermalogica Ion Active is like having a professional facial at your fingertips. It uses galvanic current to deeply cleanse pores and enhance product penetration. And for a spa-like steaming experience at home, the Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer is a must-have. It opens up pores, softens blackheads, and preps your skin for better product absorption. Sometimes our skin just needs a little TLC and a moment to chill out. That's where cooling and soothing tools come in. These tools help to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and give your skin a refreshing pick-me-up. The Beauty Bio Ice Roller is a lifesaver for puffy eyes and tired skin. Just pop it in the freezer for a few minutes and then gently roll it over your face for an instant cooling sensation. And for a more targeted approach, Cryo globes are amazing. These stainless steel globes can be chilled or heated to provide a variety of benefits, from reducing inflammation to promoting lymphatic drainage. Let's talk about acne, a common skin concern that can be super frustrating to deal with. But don't worry, acne treatment tools are here to save the day. These tools use blue light therapy, sonic vibrations, and other targeted technologies to kill acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and prevent future breakouts. The Cryo Espada is a revolutionary device that uses blue LED light and sonic pulsations to target and treat individual blemishes. And for those pesky blackheads, the Tweezerman Blackhead Extractor is a must-have. It's designed to safely and effectively remove blackheads without damaging the skin. And there you have it, my loves, your ultimate guide to the world of skincare tools. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling inspired to elevate your skincare game. Remember, these tools are designed to enhance your routine and help you achieve your best skin yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Which skincare tool are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to see your results.